How to fix no application found to open URL error. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we will learn how we can solve the option or the error no application found to open URL on Android device. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to go to your settings, and then once you're under your settings, tap on apps. Under apps, tap on see all apps. Once you land on this kind of interface, navigate to top right corner, tap on three dot icon, and here tap on reset app preferences. And here it says this will reset all of the preferences for disabled apps, disabled application notification, default applications for action, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions, but you will not lose any application data. So from here, tap on reset apps, and that will help you solve your problem. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.